to get God out of the equation of our life, trying to be independent of God, trying to stand alone, regardless of the gifts, the graces from above. And this is what makes us to be only outside of the hope that God is preparing for us. But for the humble of hearts, those who would always recognize that the type of person who I am today is not due to myself, but due to God's blessing, due to God's goodness and favors, because I am unworthy of this would merit the kingdom of God, the hope that awaits for us. Because we give more dependence not on ourselves, but on the love of God. Because the love of God suffices. The love of God is enough. More than anything else. More than what we have achieved in our lives. More than our connections now. Kung mo ang maghatag ka na itong kalipay sa panahon ng taong na kinasa ninyo, makasulti kita, yan ang iyan-iandam ka na itong nangyarian because we are conducting ourselves like a child. For we are reminded that we are always the children of our God, our Father, an all-provident Father who only offers goodness to us, His children, and nothing else, and nothing more, but for our goodness, because we are His children. Kung kanulan ni natin ipahigundog sa itong kasing-kasing ng mga anak kasi ito, kung nag-ipindi ka sa itong amahan na nasa langit, na magtutlo o magtungkod, hindi ka nato kanunay sa pagkamapausanon sa kasing-kasing. Kung ang atong pagkamapausanon, may maghatag ka nato luna sa tuang Pinoy-anan na nagpaabot ka nato sa pagkakas. Remember, many brothers and sisters, that the message of our gospel today be a point of our reflection in this year's Grand Alumni coming. Yes, whenever we go back home, we are reminded of the many beautiful things, beautiful memories, the persons, events associated to this, and then we make ourselves to be really at home because we toil on the years that we are here as students.